Welcome. This video represents the instruction manual of training for mounting of depositor on the seed drill. The depositors are used in application of microgranulated starting fertilizers, and we are going to explain to you how to mount them in pictures, step by step. First of all, it is necessary to prepare all the parts for mounting. They consist of depositor or a plastic box, sieve, support, telescopic tube, driven sprocket, drive sprocket, sprocket chain tensioner and tensioner holder, cardan shaft. In this short video we are going to show the process of depositors mounting onto an 8-row Gaspardo rigid frame seed drill. A necessary number of boxes is determined by the number of rows on the seed drill. It is possible to mount depositors on any seed drill type. The only difference in the mounting on the different seed drill types refers to the support and drive, namely the number of drives, which is increased depending on the seed drill type, as it is the case with Kernplanter 3, a folding seed drill with 3 drives. The first step in the mounting procedure is setting of the support onto row units. The support mounting is simple, and the keys of appropriate dimensions make the only tools that are used. After that, plastic boxes, which are obtained together with the depositor dosing mechanism, are set onto supports. It is important to fasten them well for the sake of stability. A dry setting is the following and the most demanding step in the mounting process, and as we have said, the dry mounting differs from one to another seed drill. It consists of the following chain pulley, chain tensioner and tensioner holder. The following drive sprocket, which consists of 6 sprockets of different dimensions, is laid onto the drive shaft of the seed drill. After the drive shaft is pulled out of its housing, the drive sprocket is laid directly onto the shaft. It is fixed by screw spanner onto the exact position on the drive shaft. It is positioned so that it stands in direction of a box arriving onto the following chain pulley. After that, we return the drive shaft into its initial position. Chain setting is the following step. The chain length should be adapted with taking into the consideration the tensioner setting and the largest and smallest dry chain dimension. Having set the chain, we determine the position of the tensioner holder, taking into the account that the position should match the chain that has already been set. After the positioning, it is necessary to weld the tensioner holder onto the depositor support. In the end, the tensioner itself is welded onto the tensioner holder. In some seed drills, it is also necessary to add a chain buffer in addition to the tensioner. Next step is mounting of cardan shaft. The cardan shaft serves to connect all the parts of the drive mechanism. Due to the distance of the depositor, we set the cardan shafts along the entire seed drive onto the depositor drive shaft. With the assistance of the cardan shaft, we ensure equal distribution of fertilizers on each seed drill row. The tube setting is the last step. It is a telescopic tube due to a working position of the battery, and it is important to set it under an angle of max 45 degrees in relation to the depositor vertical in order to ensure a free fall of the fertilizer onto the depositing site. The seed drill with mounted depositors enables simultaneous seeding and application of microgranulated SuperStart starting fertilizer. Application of microgranulated starting fertilizer into the root zone contributes significantly to higher quality and more complete plant nutrition and family to their richer and higher quality yield and higher profit. Elixir Agrar